Hi, and welcome to Tableau 101. Today, I want to show you how you can record your performance on Tableau server itself. I know there's a performance recording on Tableau desktop, um, but it makes it hard sometimes to see what it's like on the server, if any of your improvements did anything good. So what you can do is we have a link here on our waterfall chart. So all we have to do is at the end of the line, we copy record performance being equal yes, and then the refresh equal yes. Refresh equal yes makes sure that it clears the cache, so it refreshes the dashboard clean. That way you can compare your previous version versus the next one. So once we hit that button, it'll start refreshing the same dashboard, but it'll give you a little performance recording, and then you can start clicking there um, and get your visualizations and see how they perform against one another. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.